Hey guys, well this is Mickey and you can see I just wanted to show you guys my face so you guys could have a feel of my face, what I'm going through. I had a breakout due to makeup. I think because I used the same brush and it just came up all up, everything came up in the morning. It was really crazy. Now it's going dark. I'm not having any breakouts anymore, but it's just dark. It's refused to go. And I noticed most people get to put comments on my YouTube channel saying I only use hydroquinone. But this time we're gonna be using a slower approach, which is taking too long. This is like more like 2 weeks now. It's taken way too long. But I'm using the slow approach just to tell you guys that there's a difference between when you use hydroquinone, clobetasol, and steroids to take off your dark spots, and when you're using natural products to take it off. It goes way slower. It's just too slow. At some point you'll be like it's not working, but the reason why I know it's working is this part used to be so dark then, and this one too used to be so dark, but it's actually going. You can notice there's a part where it tends to go. You'd see it's becoming a bit lighter and all that, and patches, the red dots and all that. It's annoying. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's so annoying. So what I do is I use cleanser on my face. I tend to cleanse my face most of the time. So and I've also changed my soap. So in case you guys want to like, oh, do you still use that glutathione X soap? Well, I've not changed it completely. Um, what happened is I'm equating it. The glutathione was actually making my face too white, way whiter than my skin, which it's not gonna make sense, right? When I go out public, so I decided to make an acne soap for myself, and it doesn't contain hydroquinone. It just contains combination of two soaps, um, grated together, melted together without the addition of water. You understand? So there's no water included into it, and I get to use it. I just get to exchange it. The reason why I told you I was using glutathione soap was because the scrub was definitely gonna make me red, which is actually doing right now. Understand what I mean? So that was why the glutathione was gonna help lighten it up. It was damn too white, too white. I didn't like it. Well, so we're just gonna cleanse the face, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use next. So hold on. Okay, so we just have to open it up, and the name is here. It's iodine. It's from India, actually. It's an Indian cream. So it's strictly powder. You can see it, strictly powder, all powder. So we don't need an exact measurement, actually. All we just need is our rose water to just do the work, because the amount of rose water we add will determine the amount of powder we're going to put into it. So, but it's just a little. I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can actually see. Just need a little face pack, so it doesn't have to be so thick. I think that is the mixture I would probably need. It's the exact mixture that's going to be needed. So sorry it's taking too long to mix it for you guys. So any rose water would do, because I know some of you will be like, must I get this exact rose water? Honey, is not a must. You can actually get any rose water of your choice. Rose water is rose water. I hope you know that. And rose water works for all skin type. That's why I'm using rose water. I told you guys I don't want to use milk, because someone that has a breakout should not even be found using milk most of the time, except you probably want to whiten your skin, you want a very good skin and all that. But I'm not trying to whiten my skin. I'm trying to take out those breakouts. Okay, this is not too watery for us. I'm gonna apply it on my face. I'm trying to take out a breakout here, so I have to be careful what I apply on my face so as not to have to break out further. You understand? So let's go apply it on my face. Um naturally I don't have so this is it, you can see it. Naturally I don't have something I could use to, like a brush, so I'm just gonna use my hand to do it. And apply it on my face. You see, it's taking so long for the dark spots to go. Breakout was so crazy. It happened all up in Abuja. It was so crazy. I never knew it was gonna be like this. And now I've stopped applying makeup. Naturally, I'm even supposed to use makeup to hide this, but it's crazy. I'm actually using it for my video to hide a bit of it, but I'm actually going to display this on my channel so you guys could know. You'd know. Oh, sometimes when you break out, some people be like, "Oh, it's the cream I'm using." Most times, it's not always the cream. Okay, makeup tends to cause breakouts, and this is a crazy one. You guys get to know. Oh, sometimes I could have a crazy breakouts from my makeup, and don't always blame it on the cream and all that. Yeah, it's a bit watery, but that is not a problem. That doesn't mean it's not gonna work. It's even written on the label that we could use rose water, milk, but I decided to use rose water. I told you guys earlier, when you're going through things, a phase like this, it's not always advisable to use milk. Milk tends to bring in more cellulites to my face. I have a sensitive skin, so even mostly, I don't even take dairy food because they tend to cause breakouts for me. I love soda though, but I think I should stop my soda. Soda also causes to have a very beautiful skin. I said earlier, you need to eat good food for you to have a very beautiful skin. If you actually want a beautiful skin, eat good food. Eat fruits to help keep your skin looking solid. So this is taking longer than expected, but it's definitely gonna go. It's taking too long. I saw a subscriber of mine, I think like yesterday, and she was like, "Oh my god, Mickey, what happened to your face?" I was like, "Honey, makeup." I was like, "Oh, I get that feeling. I've had that before too." Like, how are you gonna take it off? And I told her I'm using the slowest method out there. I'm gonna put it on my channel. And the reason why I'm using the slowest method was I told you guys earlier. I just keep saying it. You guys said hydroquinone, hydroquinone, hydroquinone. Yeah, hydroquinone is not good for a long period of time, but to take off this, hydroquinone would have been preferable. But I need to show you guys there's a difference and show you which is better to take things off. This is going to 2 weeks now. I'm still having, it's like it's not going. It looks like the same. Like it's just there, not moving, black. But if you're not conscious of your face, you'd feel it's not going. But I notice this part is already going gradually. Even part of my nose is actually going gradually too. But it's so slow. It's really slow and it's crazy. It's killing me. So when it dries off, I'll just let you guys in on it. So well, it's beginning to dry off on my face. Coming closer so you can see it. It's drying off on my face. So, but unlike this black mask, we tend to peel it off. But the problem about the black mask is it works. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It does work. But the problem is it tends to give me breakouts. And it makes my face so red. So that's why I don't really use it. But this one, this is my second time of using it, and I like the feeling because it tends to tighten my pores. For someone like me who tends to use a scrub every day, morning and night, I need to keep tightening my pores. Since we all know scrub tends to open our pores and at the same time it thins the skin. So all I have to do is to tighten my pores for that, which I'm doing. So I'll let you guys in on how it gets healed, the number of days, the number of time, and I'll show you the videos and all that. So stay tuned and please keep subscribing to my channel, and I love you guys like kilo day. Okay, so you can see my face. I just washed off the this stuff I had to put on my face, and the oil I'm going to be using is DH7 Aval Serum. So let me bring it closer. I'm going to be using DH7 Aval Serum on my face. So it also helps in clearing acne and dark spots, scars. So that's why I'm actually using the oil. We're using a long process. This is a long process we're going to be using to take off my dark spots. So I'm just letting you guys in on what I'm using to take it off. For people who probably do not want hydroquinone, do not want clobetasol, do not want steroids, so you want a longer process, and this is what you're going to get for a longer process. So this is what we get to do.